The Ukrainian Secret Service SBU exposed a traitor in Vinnytsia who recruited Ukrainian prisoners to the Wagner PMC. And this is the training of Ukrainian servicemen in trench warfare tactics in northern England. And this is Azov for the front lines in some Mad Max style. Take a look at the video. This are Hardok's 500 steel armored plates to armor the beast. This vehicle is old, but it will be on fire when it's finished.
Кевларом зашиваються двері, бронепластинами всі уразливі місця. Позаду захист для водіїв і на криші відповідно. Це називається легке бронювання, бо воно тільки частинами.
During the storming of Ukrainian positions on one of the routes, Switchblade 300 operators of one of the subdivisions of the SSO of Ukraine made this storm the last for several Russians. And this is not from Ukraine, but is fascinating. China is destroying unfinished high-rises.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.